Hello, welcome back friends. Good morning. Today I'm sharing the recipe of Badami Kheer, which is a dessert. I would say it's a traditional dessert with a twist of almond paste in it, and it tastes amazing. It tastes delicious. I promise that. And the recipe calls for 2 liters of whole milk. In a pan, I have whole milk over here. I have not turned on the flame yet. The ingredients for the kheer: over here I have some almonds which are soaked in hot water, and I'm gonna just peel them off and make a paste of 1 cup of almonds and the rest for garnishing. Over here I have some saffron strands in 1 tablespoon of hot milk, half cup of sugar, 1 baking cup of rice, 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk can. I'm going to use half of it. The sugar is half cup, but you can adjust it according to your taste if you want it more sweet. Then 4 small green cardamoms. We'll need half teaspoon of cardamom powder, which I'm going to make fresh. And for garnishing, we have Khoya, some pistachios for garnishing, and some almonds, which I'll take from here, and the coconut powder. Let's start the recipe. Over here I'm gonna turn on the flame and then add these 4 cardamoms to it and let it come to a boil, the flame being on medium high. Over here I'm gonna just crush these rice. You don't have to make a paste of it, but just have them into small pieces, so just once. So it just helps them to get to small pieces rather than full grain. This is how I make it and I like it, and I'm gonna take this out in a bowl. So this is how the grains they look like. Yes, the grains are crushed into half the size. And the other method is you can also leave the rice as is and just soak them into warm water or cold water for half an hour, and then add them to the boiled milk, which is step number 2. But I like to do it this way. I just crush them in the coffee blender and keep them aside just as is, and I will add it once the milk is boiled. So dear friends, have a look. In 15 to 20 minutes you'll see that the milk has come to a boil, and over here we will add our rice to it and stir it. The flame is still on medium high. Now we will let it cook for 30 to 40 minutes on medium low heat, or according to your stove you can also do it on medium high. So dear friends, these are the almonds which I just took out. We are gonna take kind of 1 cup of almonds and add some water to it to make a paste. Have a look, dear friends. In 35 minutes with intermittent stirring on medium-low heat, this is how the rice look. They are nicely cooked. They will be cooking some more along with the sugar. So at this point, we are going to add the condensed milk and the sugar. So this is the tip. We never add the rice and the sugar together, because then the sugar makes it harder for the rice to cook completely. So once the rice are done, we are going to add the sugar, which is half cup. And we will start adding half can of the sweetened condensed milk. So we will add 7 ounces of it and check the sweetness after 10 minutes. At the same time, I'm gonna add the fresh green cardamom powder, around half teaspoon. So this is the freshly grounded cardamom powder. I usually grind it with a teaspoon of sugar. So we'll mix the cardamom powder also. We will let it cook for 5 minutes on medium-low heat, and then we will check the sweetness and add the paste of the almond to it. I have tasted it and I'm adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. So it's half cup plus 2 tablespoons, and it really depends how sweet you and your family likes it. At this point, I'm also going to add the saffron mixed in hot milk. And after this, I have started to add the almond paste and mixing it. So dear friends, checking the sugar consistency, I ended up adding the full can of the sweetened condensed milk, which is 14 ounces. And instead of half cup, I would say I added 1 baking cup of sugar also for this 2.5 liters of milk. For this 2.5 liters of milk, and 1 cup of rice to it. So this is how it looks like. It's really nicely sweetened now, and I'm gonna turn off the flame and wait until it gets to the room temperature to dish it out and garnish it and let you guys know how it looks like. So dear friends, after 1 hour of turning the flame off, this is at the room temperature and it's ready to be taken out in a decorative bowl or dish. We have to decorate it with coconut powder. We also have some almonds, and we will add some pistachios. And as we said, we will add just a little bit of the Khoya at the end. At the sides, we will add some shredded Khoya. It will just give a very nice taste to it. Just like this. And we are done. If you have any confusion for the recipe or the ingredients, please check the description box and you will find all the details of the ingredients and the measurements. So dear friends, this is the final look of the Special Badami Kheer. This is so delicious. You have to give it a try for your next party or for your family. And I hope you all stay safe, stay well. Till next time, take good care, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video and share it with your family and friends. Goodbye.